Welcome to Ecoclime Africa Learning Hub, where we share simple solutions for a sustainable future. Today, we are learning about agroforestry, a powerful way of combining trees with crops and livestock to solve both environmental and climate challenges. Agriculture is essential for food, but clearing land and removing trees makes the soil weak, increases erosion, and adds to climate change. At the same time, deforestation reduces biodiversity and makes communities more vulnerable. Agroforestry offers a solution. By planting trees on farms alongside crops or livestock, we restore soil fertility, provide shade, protect water sources, and capture carbon from the atmosphere. The benefits are many. Farmers harvest more, biodiversity thrives, communities stay cooler, and greenhouse gas emissions are reduced. Agroforestry builds resilience against climate change while supporting food security. Agroforestry is not just farming, it is climate action on the ground. When we plant trees with our food systems, we grow a healthier planet. Together, we can farm for the future.